How to earn money from mobile by online chatting. In this video we will discussing that how to earn money online chatting from mobiles without any investment, without any degree and without any skill. Just a step by step complete process will discussing with you in this video. If you want to earn money online by chatting, stay home without any hard work, so this video is very important for you. So if you want to understand complete process and want to earn money online by chatting, stay home without any investments, let's get started. The trust score of this website on Scam Advisor is 100 out of 100. It means that this website is 100 out of 100 workable, authentic, genuine and real. And now we are searching this website on Google Chrome and how to earn money online and how to earn money by chatting. Stay home without an investment. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome in your device and search here era.justanswer and just you can see that type this name and you can see that this website is open in your device. Must be click it and open it in your device, and you are looking this type interface help people and earn money using your professional experience. If you are a qualified professional in one of our categories, you can earn money when you answer questions online, set your own hours and works anytime anywhere. And you are looking that the CNN, NBC, Fox, Today's and famous companies are involved or attached in this websites. How it works? It paid to help people. They ask you answer anywhere, anytime, desktop or smartphone. Choose your workload, grow your skill level. And what are the categories that Just Answer has experts for? Veterinary and animal behavior, legal, medical, wellness, mental health and homeopathy, cars, boats, heavy equipments, tax and finance, computer and tech, sports, and there are many categories are available, and you can choose your categories which you have expert and start your work online. And now we are understanding how to apply for these jobs. And now click on apply option and select your first of all select a specialty for your work. Click on drop option and select your category, select your specialty for your work. So finally I have selected the computer, and you enter your first name, last name, email and phone number, and must be allow it, yes, allow Just Answer and click on next option. And now you are facing this type interface, and this categories is very important for this work. Selecting your category, select your primary specialties, click on drop down option and click your primary specialty. The next specialty is optional. If you have selected or not selected, it depend on you. And here you can check your first name, last name, email and phone number, and here click on drop down option to select your country, and after selecting your country and state and province, select your state and province here, and here you can select your working time. The next category is that how would you prefer to answer questions as an expert. There are two options, chat or a phone call. Select your categories. The next is that how did you hear about us, and here select your social media. The next selection is optional. If you selected is better, if not selected, not any problems. And here select your employer name, position title and select your working experience date mentioned here. And here please provide an example of when you have delivered an expertational customer or a client experience within your area of expertise. Include specific detail about the situation, your approach and action and the outcome. And here click on the next option, turn on the agree and term and condition, and click on submit option to submit all this information to this websites. If this website approval your all submit information, all submit your experience detail. This website tells you how to work and how to earn money online by this website. I hope you have understand all this work and all this experience and how to apply this work and how to receive a letter for working. If you come first time on my channel, please subscribe it and press a bell icon for learning more tech information, online earning videos first of all, and grow your knowledge experience. Thanks for watching this video.